Welcome back everyone. You may be currently in a situation where for some reason you're getting this error, that says PlayStation Network is currently undergoing maintenance. Now this actually mainly only happens for one reason and it's pretty much out of our control. So essentially, Sony and their PlayStation, division has to go ahead and update certain things within the back end of, the PlayStation Network. So this can include things like security and all these things. If you remember a couple of years ago, there was that massive security breach, that from PlayStation and with all these other accounts. So I'm glad, whenever you see something like this, it's usually a good thing. Maybe they're like testing things, maybe they're improving things here and there. And that's essentially all it is. You're just essentially going to have to wait until they go ahead and fix this. Now, the good thing is that you're not alone. Everyone that's probably in your area or the whole entire PlayStation Network is experiencing this. So you're really not missing out on too much. It's not like you can't play games and everyone else can. That's not really the case, unless you're playing locally. If you're trying to play online, then obviously this is something that Sony is currently working on. So you're just pretty much going to have to wait until Sony, eventually fixes this. It can take a couple hours. It usually doesn't take a couple of days. It usually takes an hour or two. If you come back within an hour or two, it'll probably be fixed and you'll essentially be good to go from there. So that's really it. It's a very quick little fix. Like I mentioned, there's really nothing you can do at this moment. You can try resetting your console. You can try restarting it, going through there, connecting to a different network. But ultimately, it's usually a Sony problem and you're just going to have to wait until they fix it for the most part. So that's essentially it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count. So it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.